There is no doubt that novice investors may find the world of investing to be highly complicated. Fortunately, this video will help, and we have some investment advice to ease your worry and enable you to take charge of your journey. 1. Invest as soon as you can. What are you waiting for? Now can be an excellent moment to start investing, assuming you're in a position to do so and are willing to take some financial risks. If you put off making an investment, you can miss out on some good development, which is not ideal if you want to maximize your potential returns. Consider entering the world of investing as soon as you can, because the sooner you start, the faster your money could increase. 2. Diversify your portfolio. Attempting to reduce your risk is always a good idea, regardless of your investment strategy. By distributing your funds throughout various investment categories and sectors, you will diversify your portfolio and reduce the risk of losses. If you put all of your money into one or two businesses, you can get a nasty shock if those businesses face difficulties. 3. Invest in ESAs. Normally, you have to pay taxes on the earnings you earn from investments, but since 1999, there has been a way to avoid tax from taking money out of your investment account. You can invest your money in the stock market with a stocks and shares ESA and avoid paying UK tax on any gains, allowing you to keep more of your original investment. Your stocks and shares ESA allows you to invest up to £20,000, subject to change, in each tax year. You have until midnight on April 5th to use this amount. 4. Begin planning for your pension. It's never too early to plan for your retirement. Opening a personal pension, also known as a self-invested personal pension, SIPP, may be able to help you increase your retirement savings. You can save as much as you wish for retirement with a personal pension, and any profits you earn are exempt from UK tax. To make up for the income tax you've already paid, the government will also give you a 20% tax break. You should also be aware that until you turn 55, your pension funds will be locked up. Before turning 55, you won't be able to withdraw any money, so be sure you're okay with leaving your money invested for a while. 5. Remain calm when markets fall. Financial markets contain ups and downs, similar to roller coasters, so if you're an investor, you need to be prepared for a bumpy ride. Selling your investments will result in the realization of your losses. However, if you attempt to timing the market and quit playing when markets are declining, you can still miss out on the positive days and the potential rebound. Because markets fluctuate so frequently, it is impossible to determine when to invest. The majority of investors who attempt to time the market to maximize their profits fail. I really hope you have enjoyed and found this video useful. If you have, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell for upload notifications. Thanks again, and I will see you all next time.